7 simple mistakes that parents make that affect their relationship with their children. Hi, welcome back to my channel where I love to teach parents how to skill up their children to thrive in the 21st century. If you're a parent, you have anything at all to do with children, a caregiver, a teacher, I'd love you to hit the subscribe button because I know you're going to learn something insightful from this video. And don't forget to share with parents around you. Now, let's dive into what we have for today. Now, one of the mistakes that a lot of parents make is that they only talk to their children when they want to correct them. Yes, they don't spend time having conversations. They only talk to them when they want to correct them. Hey, stop that. Hey, do this. Hey, have you tidied your room? Hey, this. Hey, that, right? And this, when it is done for a long period of time, ends up affecting the relationship that such a parent have with their child, because at the end of the day your child starts to see your voice as a voice of criticism, right? And they avoid being in the same space with you. So one mistake that a lot of parents make is that they only have conversations when they are correcting their children's mistakes. The second mistake that a lot of parents make is that they dismiss their child's feelings. Yes. So when your child says, I'm sad, I'm not happy, a lot of parents respond with things like, oh, stop it, oh, stop crying, you're too sensitive, and all of that. And what this does, though the parent has a good intention, but what this does to the child is that it teaches them that their emotions does not matter. And you don't want to be in that space, right? We must learn to validate our child's emotions per time. You're not necessarily agreeing with them, but you're making them understand that their emotions matter. Instead of dismissing your child's emotions, this is what you should do instead. Say something like, oh, I see you're upset. Can you tell me what happened? Validation doesn't mean you agree. Validation simply means you understand. And children who feel understood are more likely to open up concerning what they are going through per time. The third mistake a lot of parents make is that they are too busy to listen. Yes, life is busy. You need to meet up with work, schedules, phone calls, chores, providing, and all of that. Truth is that children spell love as time. Sometimes children don't need solution. They simply need your attention. Research has shown that warm, consistent conversation can strengthen a parent-child bond and also create emotional safety. So the next time your child wants to talk, pause, create eye contact, put your phone down, and have these conversations with them, because this is how trust is built on a daily basis. The fourth mistake that a lot of parents make is to compare their children with others. Yes, and for us parents, it's very easy to fall into this trap. Want to compare our children with others, their siblings, their friends, their classmates, and all of that. But the truth is that what this does is that it creates shame and kills confidence. Even the Bible talks about they comparing themselves with one another are not wise. Comparison is a killer of your child's self-esteem. Rather than comparing your child, encourage them to be the best version of themselves. Celebrate their little efforts, not just their win. I hope this helps someone. Fifth mistake is reacting before understanding a situation. Now, for example, a child breaks something, and instead of asking what happened, you start to shout, you assume, you punish. What this does is that next time something like that happens, your child is quick to hide it. Not because they are dishonest, but because they are afraid of your response, right? So research has shown that children who grow in environments where they are not emotionally safe tend to tell lies, right? So instead of reacting, maybe you should ask, what really happened? Help me understand what happened, right? So that you can have a better response to that situation. The sixth mistake a lot of us parents make is that we do not admit it when we are wrong. Yes, a lot of us try to sell this narrative to our children that we are infallible. But the truth is that that is not true. We know that as humans, we are prone to mistakes. We can make errors, and that is because we don't know everything. So as parents, we must be open enough to admit it when we make mistakes. For example, I'm sorry I overreacted. I shouldn't have spoken to you in that way, right? What this does is that it teaches your child humility, respect, and responsibility. As a parent, you can make mistakes, and you must allow your child see that you can make mistakes, because it helps them to trust you better. Children don't need perfect parents, they need parents who are willing to grow. Number 7, mistaking obedience for connection. A child can still obey you and feel emotionally disconnected from you. Now, a lot of parents feel that when their children obey them, then they are emotionally connected. This might not be necessarily true. True parenting isn't about raising obedient children. It is about raising children who can trust you enough to tell you the truth, even when they have made mistakes. Rules are important, discipline is important, but relationship comes first. I hope you got value from this video, and I would love to hear from you in the comment section. Let us know some mistakes you think that a lot of us parents are making and what we should do instead. Don't forget to share with parents around you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.